Hello my dear student, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Today I am going to teach you the last part of the chapter 11, reproduction in plants. So in our previous class we discussed about the asexual reproduction by roots and by stem. So in this video we discuss about the remaining asexual part is runner, bulb, cutting and reproduction in fern plants and the book exercise. So student, take out your book and take one pencil with you. So let's start with the runners. Okay. So many plants have long thin stem called runners. Look at this, like in a strawberry. Okay. Very thin stem and long. And they strong horizontally, not like vertically, they are growing into horizontally and partially to the ground. Okay, जमीन के पास में grow करते हैं. So a runner most often take roots and sprouts new leaves. Therefore it touch the soil and this gives rise a new plant. Okay, look at the picture कि जब ये horizontally grow करते हैं, whenever the new leaves are coming from any of the area and they attach to the soil, here they are converted into the new plant. Okay, this is the new plant, this is the new plant, this is the new plant. Okay, whenever they are cutting from this and they are divided separately. Okay, so this give rise a new plant. Most type of grasses, strawberry, underline, most grasses and strawberries propagate in this manner in natural condition. Suckers are very similar to runners. Okay, suckers भी इसी तरीके से होते हैं जिस तरीके से runners होते हैं. Now bulb like, look at the picture we are using in our daily life. Onion, lily, tulip, okay, and garlic. Okay, these are the structure is bulb like. They are bulb like. So bulb are found in the garlic, onion, lilies and tulips. They are thick, short and underground stem. Which portion of onion we eat? This is the stem and this is the leaf which we use in the winter season. Okay. So they are thick, short and underground stem and which contain abundant resources of food and they contain bulb like grow. And जब हम onion के इस bulb को grow करेंगे soil में, then they gives a onion leaves and lily and they convert into the new plant. Okay students, very simple. Now cutting. Many plants like money plant, sugar cane and rose are grow by the cutting of their stem. तो उनके nodes और internodes से एक part को cut करके अगर हम soil में put करते हैं, then they are grow into the new plant. Reproduction is cutting. Look at the picture. We cut the healthy piece of the stem from the rose plant and place into the stem and place in shade and keep the soil moist. And we look at the buds the stem has in a few day time when a new shoot is arise from this bud and a new rose plant is formed. It is formed through the vegetative reproduction or asexual reproduction. Easy. Now vegetative propagation through leaves we will discuss in the class 5th. Okay students, so the bryophyllum leaves having grooves in their leaf structure and each of the margin grows a new plant. When the soil is detached from the parent plant, they grow into the new plant. Okay, so the leaf of bryophyllum, underline, the leaf of the bryophyllum plant produce bud in their margin. Okay, look at this picture. At the each of the margin they produce a new plant. When the leaf is detached, यानी ये जो leaf का portion है वो stem से अलग हो जाता है और they are grow into the moist soil और नीचे जमीन पर जब गीली मिट्टी में ये mix हो जाते हैं, the birds grow into the new plants. Very easy. So the vegetative propagation through leaves occurs in the bryophyllum plant. Now vegetative reproduction by fragmentation. Fragmentation means generally you are observed that kite. Okay, यानी blue green algae which is found at the rainy season near the soil, garden or even we are looking that in the moist area. Okay, so whenever they are near to the any of the part यानी उसका किसी भी हिस्से को कहीं से भी कट करके दूसरी जगह पर रखते हैं, so they are grow and again. So we are seeing at the rainy season the algae are growing anywhere and in the large number बिकॉज ये जहाँ से भी जिस भी हिस्से से इसका कहीं पे भी गिरेगा देन दे आर ग्रो इनटू द न्यू प्लांट. सो green patch that float on plant and freshwater puddles are algae. So they do not have special part, leaves, stem, flower, but they are plant-like living and they multiply and reproduce by fragment. यानी किसी भी हिस्से को कट करने से ये नई जगह पे ग्रो हो जाते हैं. ओके, दिस इज द फ्रेगमेंट, यानी इस हिस्से को भी कट किया, इसको इतने कितने भी 4, 6, 10 कितने भी हिस्से में अगर हम कटिंग कर देंगे दे ग्रो इनटू द न्यू प्लांट्स. Now underline Spirogyra is a common freshwater algae. It grows and finds stand when conduct an ideal and enough nutrient available in water. The algae break into fragments on its own and each fragment go into the new plants. Okay. So remember that algae reproduce through fragmentation. Okay. Now reproduction in fern plant. Okay. So amazing life cycle is present in the fern plants. Look at this picture and try to understand. So they having a both asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction occur in a same plant. Okay. So first they having a leaf and on the leaf they having a pores. Okay. If we are looking a single leaf then they having a pores present on them. So they whenever the pores are attached to the soil they are converted into heart-like structure which is called thalamus. What we call thalamus. On this heart-like structure they having a female gamete and male gamete both are present. When the male and female gamete are fertilized, okay, they convert into the new plant. तो यहाँ तक जब spores are converted into thalamus, this is the asexual reproduction, and after in the thalamus female and male gamete reproduce and fertilize, they are doing the sexual reproduction. So this is the amazing way which the fern plant recycle. So this is having a asexual and sexual reproduction both is present in the fern plant. Okay. So some plant like ferns reproduce both sexual and asexually. A fern plant have a special leaves which a dark brown body which produce spores. Okay. So इस पर क्या बनती है? Spores. When the spores fall on the ground, जब spores ground पर गिरते हैं, so they develop into the heart-shaped body. Look at this. This is the heart-shaped body. The heart-shaped plant body produce male and female. इनमें both male and female gametes बनते हैं, and female and male gametes are fertilized egg develop into the new plants. Or whenever they are fertilized, they convert into the new plants. Okay. So this is the sexual reproduction. And thus a cycle of fern plant involve both asexual and sexual reproduction. So did you know fern plant undergo both sexual and reproduction in a new plant? Okay. Plant are not only organisms that reproduce asexually through spores, but vegetative propagation through spores is also found in fungi and yeast. Now some artificial method कि हम artificial तरीके से they are the natural process but sometime we are doing the artificial. अगर हम agriculture करते हैं if we are doing gardening then we need a good amount or good quality of plants, so we doing cutting, budding, grafting, layering, tissue culture and some method to growing a new plant. Okay, so first we discuss the very simple method cutting which we are doing at our home. Okay, so plant like rose, bougainvillea can be propagated through the cutting of their stem. So when we cutting this plant and buried in the soil, new leaves is grow from the nodes. Okay, so nodes, this is the nodes where the leaves is growing. Okay, so we are taking the any of the branch, cutting down, okay, and we put into the soil, and after few days they are converted into the new plant. Very simple. Grafting. Okay, in this method the plant is strong and resist a disease is taken as base plant. ओके, तो बेस प्लांट हम वो लेते हैं जो पहले से ही जमीन में ग्रो कर लिया है और जिसमें कोई भी तरह की डिजीज नहीं होती है, जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, स्टॉक. नीचे वाले प्लांट को हमने क्या किया, स्टॉक, यानी दो डिफरेंट प्लांट को अटैच करके नए प्लांट को ग्रो करने को हम क्या कहते हैं, ग्राफ्टिंग. तो दो प्लांट्स की जरूरत होती है, तो नीचे का जो बेस प्लांट होता है उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, स्टॉक. A stem cutting from the other plant is good variety of instead of stem of the stalk through small section. The graft is the stalk as firmly both together. तो हमने दूसरे प्लांट को ऊपर से लिया, उसका बी सेक्शन में कटिंग किया, उसको हमने क्या बोला, ग्रेफ्ट। नीचे वाले को स्टॉक, ऊपर वाला ग्रेफ्ट। उन दोनों को हमने क्या किया, अटैच करके यहाँ से बीच में से टाइटली हमने फ्यू डेज के लिए उनको बांध दिया है। ओके, सो द स्टॉक प्रोवाइड द रूट सिस्टम, नीचे वाला क्या प्रोवाइड करा रहा है, रूट सिस्टम, एंड दिस प्रोवाइड शूट सिस्टम, and the stem cutting become the upper part is grafting plant and provide the stem, flower and fruit, and grafting is commonly used for propagation trees and shrubs. Okay, so दो different variety के plant को अगर grow करना होता है तो we are using this method. Okay, और या किसी plant में disease होती है तो उसके upper portion को cut करके दूसरा plant attach कर देते हैं, then they grow into the new plant. Alright. Now layering, we discussed in the previous session, whenever the some plants having a horizontally growing and they are having a leaf, and whenever they are attached with the soil, their root is coming and attached, and after that they are cutting from the parent plant and they convert into the new plant. In the plant like jasmine, grapevine, the lower branch of the plant is bent toward and covered with the moist soil. उसी की एक branch को moist soil में दबा देते हैं, एंड आफ्टर उसकी क्या बन जाती है, रूट्स एंड द रिंग ऑफ वॉर्म फॉर द स्टेम, एंड कट कर देते हैं, एंड फ्यू वीक्स में ही न्यू रूट्स डेवलप हो जाती है एंड प्लांट इज सेपरेट फ्रॉम द मदर प्लांट. क्लियर? नाउ टिश्यू कल्चर इज ऑल्सो आर्टिफिशियल मेथड. इट इज अंडरटेकन इन लेबोरेटरी. ओके, तो कुछ प्लांट्स ऐसे होते हैं जो पर्टिकुलर हैबिटेट में प्रॉपर ग्रो नहीं करते हैं, एंड वी नीड टू ग्रो फास्ट देम. So first we are growing into the science laboratory. Whenever they are in the small plant, then we are putting into the garden. Alright. So it is based on the principle of a new plant can be grown from the single cell. Okay, हम किसी भी plant की एक single cell से पहले उसका छोटा सा plant grow करते हैं. फिर उसके लिए हमें seed या किसी एक branch की requirement नहीं होती है. Only we need a single cell. Okay, yeah, any of piece of stem, leaf, root is placed under the special condition of semi-solution condition like this container. The container with plant tissue is incubate under the special condition. हम उसे light और temperature provide कराते हैं. So the cell के tissue जो होते हैं वो grow करते हैं new plants में. And through tissue culture, many plantlets यानी small plantlets can be regenerated from a single piece of tissue. यानी एक सिंगल सेल से हम बहुत सारे many of the numbers plants grow from the single cell. Alright, so this is the also artificial method, and this is happen inside the laboratory where the single cell use करके we are developed a new plant. Okay, now if you are not taking your book and not open your book, now go and take your book and open your book. So we are doing the book activities. Okay, so first take the correct option. A chili flower is unisexual because it has. Unisexual flower के क्या characters होते हैं? Either pistil or stamen is present. Okay, क्या एक ही present होगा? So we say either pistil or stamen is present. If the plant has tiny petal-less flower, यानी petals नहीं होते colourful, तो उसमें किस तरह का pollination होगा? Self pollination. Okay. When pollen from flower reaches to stigma of a flower of another plant at the same kind is called cross pollination. When pollen from flower reaches to stigma of a flower of another, दूसरे plant पे जा रहा है तो उसे क्या बोलेंगे? क्रॉस. और अगर सेम plant में होता है तो self pollination. An insect pollinate flower will most probably have. Insect किस पर जाएंगे? Colorful. A insect pollination flower will most probably colorless petal, not colorful sepals. Large colorful petals. Okay, so your answer is large colorful petals. Your answer is C. Okay students, so remember that your answer is fourth का your answer is C. Okay, not colorless petal, your answer is large colorful petals. A night blooming flower will be pollinated by moths and bats, because night में कौन दिखता है? moths and bats. The stamen male part of flower and pistils is the female reproductive part. The bamboo rhizomes potato में tuber होता है. इफ ओवरी से फ्रूट बनता है देन एम्ब्रियो सीड बनाता है. इफ पोलन इज अ मेल गैमेट देन एग इज अ फीमेल गैमेट. इफ फंगी स्पोर फॉर्मेशन देन स्पायरोगाइरा फ्रेगमेंटेशन. The egg develop inside the ovule. Alright. So student, I hope you clearly understand this topic very well. So note down your book exercise in your book only and do keywords and question answer in your notebook. Okay student. So I hope you clearly understand this topic very well and you got a question answer and keywords on every Friday in your school app. Alright students, so do your work very carefully and read your chapter, and if you have any of the doubt then ask me the question. Thank you.